Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we will solve one more problem related to employee benefit expenses. 100 employees work in a company for 300-day year. Each will get a salary of 75,000. So for 300 days, the one employee is getting 75,000 rupees salary with the 10 days of paid leave. So 10 days is a paid leaves that they can take. Half of the employees work in site. So out of 100 employees, 50 employees will work in site. Balance and the remaining 50 will work in office. 10 site employees have 6 days unused leave. The same is for 20 employees in the office. Site aliro 10 employees hatra 6 days leave ಇದೆ. Office ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 employees ಹತ್ರ 6 days leave ಇದೆ. 20 employees in the office is 3 days unused leave. So office ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಹತ್ರ 3 days unused leaveಗಳು ಇದೆ. The unused leaves of 1 year can be used in the next year subjected to maximum of 2 days. So according to the company rules, the employees can only carry forward 2 days of the leave to the next year. Draft the entries for the employee benefit expenses. So total ಒಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ 75,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಳ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Working day in a year is 300. So per day salary will be 250 rupees. So total 100 employees are there. 50 employees work in site and remaining 50 work in offices. So what they have told is, site ಅಲ್ಲಿ work ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ employees, the employees whoever work in the site, their salary is considered as direct attributable cost that will be added to the PPE. So we will not consider it as employee benefit expenses, that will be added to PPE. The remaining 50 employees, whatever they're working in office, the expenses they incurred, salaries, that is considered as employee benefit expenses. So inside total 10 employees, so maximum they can take is 2 days leave. Actually they have 6 days balance, but according to company rules only 2 days, and per day the salary is 250. Total will be 5,000. So first we will pass the entry for that. The entry will be PPE account debit. So 75,000 PPE account debit to bank account, to provisions account. To bank account is salary, whatever the salary they have paid for the employees. So total 50 employees into 75,000. If you do, you will get 37,50,000. That is a salary for the 50 employees who are working in site. Plus we have made a provision of 5,000 rupees. If you add both, 37,55,000 rupees will be added to the cost of PPE, which I have even explained while solving the problems of PPE. Now office employees, total 20 employees have not taken leave, but company is giving maximum 2 days of leave. Into 250, it will be 10,000. For this we have to pass an entry. The entry will be employee benefit expenses account debit to bank account. Again, this is a salary of 50 employees. So 75,000 is a salary for one employee into 50 employees. If you do, you will get 37,50,000 plus provisions we have made 10,000. When you add both, you will get 37,60,000 rupees.